Hello everyone. Now this is one Seagate partial sector access pension drive, and now we are trying to access to the data arrow. Now we can see the ending part of the BA are not accessed. We can see are all red blocks. So for this kind of pension drive, how to fix it? Now we can go back to SCOM terminal, and we have viewed the V40, the entry list entries. Now we can see there are 49 entries returned. And let's check what has been done to this pension drive by the user. And this one DFA user from Peru. And then let's try to check. Okay. Open working directory. So it seems nothing has been done to this drive, but it has already been partial sector access. So for this kind of drive, we don't need to back up the SOS files. And anyway, if users wish to back up, we can try here. This is to read modules, and this one is to read the SOS files. So we can try to read by the ATA mode to read all the SOS files and see. We can see the firmware version for this drive is CC29, and its firmware is not locked, so we can access to the firmware arrow directly. Now let's try to back up these ones automatically. Now let's check lattice 3. Now let's try to back up. To back up by ATA mode, it is fast. And V40, V4, and V40 it has 49. We just checked that, and we can try to clear the end list by this menu here, defects management, and we find this menu for the end list, this one, and we try to clear end list ATA. Okay, clear. Okay, now log window has indicated that the writing is successful, so we can go back to SCOM terminal and view entry list again. Now we can see the entries becomes 0. So at this time we can try to regenerate the translator and check the result. Okay, now we check the entry list again. Now we can try to access to the data arrow again to say if the partial sector access problem has been fixed or not. Now we can check the ending part of the data arrow and click OK. Let's see if we can access to the data arrow. Now we can see after clears end list and we regenerate the translator, now all the data arrow is accessible. So this means the sector, all the sectors are accessible. It's already 99% or 100% now. We can try to check the beginning part or the middle part. For example, 19. Click OK. And we can see, okay, the middle part, they are accessible just a few bad sectors. So we can try to use the DFL DDP data recovery software to get this lost data back. Now we can click the DFLC panel and find the SATA1 channel. Okay, SATA1. Click DTP. We can set up one new project, especially for this Seagate 2 TB drive. Now we can see here the last 4 partitions, and this is one 2 TB drive, so we can see there are 2 partitions with almost 930 GB, so totally 2 TB data here, and users can double click on the root folder and users can get all the lost folders and the files back. Just right click, okay, like this one, and then right click to recover the selected files. So users can recover all the lost data by this method. Thank you for watching the video.